What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, covering all things two wheels with an emphasis on Harley-Davidsons. We just got in a brand new 2022 Street Glide ST. Gonna take a walk around. Have any questions, comment below. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next ride. Alright guys, just a quick walk around of the brand new 2022 Street Glide ST. Let you guys soak it in a little bit. It does have the LED day maker in the front. A lot of it's just finishes. Everything else pretty standard. If you compare it to a Street Glide standard, this is what I'm going to, or Street Glide Special, that's what I'm going to compare it to. What are the differences? The tail light section, more the Lowrider S styling. Kind of a surprise to me, didn't know it right off the bat, but see how much more of the wheel you can see on this thing. Has the standard shocks in the back, not what's on the Special. The Special has the lows. 117 Milwaukee 8. And then you can see some of the bronze finishes. Came out real nice. And then of course the Lowrider S style tank decal. And one of the big things is the front fender and wheel combo. The wheel looks pretty evil with that bronze finish on it. Other than that, guys, not a whole lot different. The seat, pretty cool seat, very comfortable. Has kind of that Lowrider S look to it with the back raised up. Not quite a full step up or anything. Does come with the mid-frame air deflectors. Infotainment and everything's the same. Nothing new there. No new gauges or anything like that. Haven't got to ride it yet, but hopefully soon. Once it warms up a little bit here in South Texas, I'll take it for a quick spin. So far, no real knocks on it other than these reflectors. Not sure what anybody's thinking with those things, but I'm sure that's probably an EPA deal. Harley probably had to put those on there. No passenger pegs, no passenger pillion, something that can be easily added, but it does not come with it. Idea behind this is, man, you want a performance bagger, this is where you start. You take this bike, maybe you do an inverted front fork, maybe you add better suspension in the rear, maybe even the Harley-Davidson branded Olin suspension in the rear. It's a good looking bike though. It looks really good with the black and the bronze. Looks good with the Lowrider S emblem on the tank. Old school Harley-Davidson emblem. All blacked out finishes. I think one thing they did nail, the front fender looks great, the wheel color looks great. And then this rear end section, how they blacked everything out, looks great. Came out real nice. Then again with the LED tail light. Have any questions, guys, please comment below. Please subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying the content. Again, be covering one of my bikes soon. One of the new Pan Americas that I just bought, or the new Pan America I just bought, 2022. Some of the things I've done to it. And hopefully, like I said, weather warms up, maybe tomorrow, maybe early next week. Take this thing out for a spin. Hope everybody's doing good, staying warm. Catch you guys on the next one.